In today's video, I'm going to be introducing a new money making challenge as well as going over some easy ways you can make some money with little to no effort. So be sure to stay tuned. What's great, hustlers and finance finessers? Welcome back. Now, if you're new here, this channel is all about personal finance and self-development in order for us to become the best versions of ourselves, as well as make some money in the process. So be sure to hustle over and finesse that like and subscribe button. All right, I'm going to be showing you guys a couple ways you could be making some money with little to no effort and even passively. Now, this is important because by ignoring these strategies that I'm going to mention, you could be leaving tons of money on the table. And as hustlers and finance finessers, this is something we do not do because every dollar has to be claimed and accounted for. And this is why I call this challenge the Out the Mud Challenge, because we're going to be getting to it from every angle and getting to every dollar and cent that we can to secure our bags. All right, the first way we're going to be making money is by collecting and saving our coins. This simply implies any coins or change that you come in contact with, you put away and you save for later. So this could be from your everyday purchases with cash. Any change you get back, you want to put that away and save it. Or it could be any coins you come in contact with throughout your daily life, as far as when you're on a walk, you see some coins on the ground, or if you have some coins laying around the house or in your couch, you want to make sure that you're making a conscious effort to collect those coins and put them away and save them. For the month of January, I told myself I will make the conscious effort to save any coins I came in contact with, and I was able to save a pretty large amount. Okay, as you can see here, I have my coins that I've been putting in this little cup over the past month, and here's how I'm going to be storing my coins. I'm going to be using this digital money jar, which keeps track of how much coins you put in. And I purchased this money jar from Amazon, and I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys are interested in getting this money jar, if you decide to start to save your change and to collect your change. So let's just get into it and see how it works. I'm going to start with a quarter and see how this thing goes. All right. Okay, yeah, so as you can see, it logged the quarter, the 25 cents. So I'm just going to go ahead and put all of the coins inside of this jar and see how much our total comes out to. Okay, so there you have it. Now that we put all of our coins in, our total comes out to $10.03. So I was able to save $10.03 worth of coins over the past month, which I feel is pretty good. The second way we're going to make some money is by recycling. Now what this means is any plastic bottles, cans, or glass we come into, we're going to save and put away to recycle for later. For the month of January, I made the effort of recycling to see how much money I could make. All right, so I got my cans and my bottles together, and now I'm here to recycle them. All right, so next step is to just separate the cans and the bottles, and I'm gonna do that. Then we're gonna go weigh them and see how much we're gonna get. All right, so I went through my bottles, I separated the bottles from the cans, and now we're gonna go and weigh them and see how much money we get from it. I'm not going to record the weighing because I just want to protect everyone else's anonymity, and just in case they don't want to be in this video. So I'm not going to record the weigh-in, but I'll let you guys know what the final result is. Okay, so our total came out to $17.45. I think that's pretty good for a month of saving bottles and cans. I think that's a pretty good return, so I'm happy with it. This isn't something to be ashamed of. As I stated before, we're hustlers and finance finessers, so we get to it from all angles. And if that means we getting our hands dirty and we're collecting bottles and cans, that's what we're gonna do. And think of it like this. You'll also be helping the environment by recycling your plastic bottles, your cans, and your glass. The next way we're gonna be making money is through the Acorns app. Now, the Acorns app is an app that tracks your spending and saves any spare change, rounded to the nearest dollar amount, and invests it for you. So similar to with your change, when you make a purchase with cash and you get change back and you put that away, the Acorns app does that, but with your credit cards and debit cards. So this is very useful for people that don't really use cash to make their purchases, and they use their debit or credit cards. And what's more, the money that's being put away for you is being invested in the stock market, which means your money is going to be making money for you. Acorns uses a function called roundups, and roundups is the amount of money that is left after you make a purchase, rounded to the nearest dollar. Now, when your roundups reach $5, Acorns will then pull that money from your bank account and then invest it into the stock market for you. It's a great way for beginners to start to begin saving as well as investing. Now, in my account for January, I was able to have $27.09 rounded up from all of the purchases that I've made throughout the month. Another way to make money through Acorns is by referring friends. Anytime you refer a fan, you and them will make $5 that will be invested into the stock market. So as you can see, my account, I made an initial investment of $10 when I first signed up with the app, plus the $27.09 that I made from the roundups, along with the money that I made from my referrals of 30 bucks. Altogether, I made about $67.09. However, I have to be transparent. Because the money that's put into Acorns is being invested into the stock market, it does have the same risk of your money increasing or decreasing depending on the market. There was a brief moment where the market dipped and I lost about $1.75, and which brought my account value to $65.34. So on the month of January, I was able to make $65.34. Okay, you might be wondering how my money is being invested using this app. What Acorns uses is what's called a robo-advisor. And what a robo-advisor is an automated investment management program that buys and sells stocks on your behalf using different algorithms. So you will not have to make any decisions or make any choices of what companies and stocks that you will purchase. This is all done for you. I could assure you that this is a very low risk way of investing your money, and over the long term, I can guarantee that you will make money. The next way we're gonna make money is through credit card rewards. Now, this is one of my favorite ways to make money because you're making money passively by doing something that you probably already do anyways. And alongside the Acorns app, you're going to be doubling your money even more. Most credit cards offer some type of rewards program where they give you some type of cash back or some incentive to use their cards. This could be 1.5% on every purchase, 2% on every purchase, 5% in certain categories. Some cards offer mileage for airlines, you name it. But this is a favorite way to earn money for me, because if you utilize your credit cards correctly, you can get a lot of return on your spending. Also, a lot of cards offer introductory bonuses that could result in up to $500 in cash. Now, I have plenty of credit cards, and I've been able to amass over $2,000 in rewards points. If you're not using the credit card as your primary source of spending, you need to get on it, because you're missing out on a lot of money. Now, I say this, but it's very important that you use your credit cards responsibly. Make sure you're paying off your balances in full every month, and you're not making unnecessary purchases. And if you're unable to get a credit card, I have a video about credit and how to build your credit so that you can get your score high enough for you to apply for a credit card. As I've stated earlier, I've been able to make over $2,000 in rewards points using all of my credit cards. But for the purpose of this video and this challenge, in the month of January, I made the effort to only use one credit card and to calculate how much money I made for that month. After totaling up all of the points accrued in the month of January, it came to 7,895.65 points. Now, what this equates to is $78.96. I'd say that's a pretty good return on something that I do normally. I use my credit card for everything, for restaurants, my everyday purchases, even my bills. So this is a way you can maximize your rewards potential and the return that you'll get back. Okay, lastly, I want to mention some honorable mentions just so you guys have an idea of a couple of other places you can make some money, and that's through affiliate links and referral links. So for affiliate links, this is simply a link that leads you to an online store, and once there, if you guys make a purchase, the person who posted the link gets a commission off of that. So I'm going to let you guys on a little secret. Remember that money jar I mentioned earlier? If you guys click the link and end up buying it or something else from the store, your boy gets a commission, and it really helps me out. I'm not going to go into affiliate links too much, as that can be an entire video of its own. Another way is the referral links and promo codes. Now, you've seen a version of this earlier with the Acorns app where I made $30 from referrals. That was $5 for me using someone else's referral link and signing up. I made it $5, and then I made an additional $25 for signing up 5 extra people. Another referral link that I'll mention is the Robinhood referral link where you get a free stock. I was able to make $70.29 in free stock using my Robinhood referral link. Now, I mentioned these because this is a great way for you to make a little bit of extra money on the side by using my link, signing up, and then starting to share the link with your friends and family, and is a great way for you to start making some money passively. So I was able to make over $100 in referral codes and referral links. So make sure you guys are utilizing this feature in order for you to make some money. Now, for the sake of this challenge, I won't include this in my number that I usually leave in the end card, because these numbers will be included with the Acorns account and as well as my investment account. But I just want to break it out for you guys just so you can see how much is being made in just referral links. All right, so we went over all the ways I made a little bit of extra cash throughout the month of January. So I want to give you guys the totals and what it came out to. Now, by calculating and adding up all of the ways that I made money this month, with the Out the Mud challenge, I was able to make a total of $242.06. Now, this is great because this could be a bill for most people. This could be a phone bill. This could be a couple of subscriptions for some people, you know. And just think about if we did this every month for the rest of the year, how much we could make by the end of the year. And this is a great way to make some money off of ways you probably didn't think of, or you didn't really, know about, and it doesn't take that much effort. I really think you guys should take part of this challenge because I think it would really benefit you. Now, the key to this challenge is intent. I want you guys to become really intentional with how you make money and where you're getting your money from. Now, I know I listed a couple of ways, but there are many other ways you guys can get it out the mud and make money, whether that be from doing odd jobs, doing DoorDash, doing Lyft or Uber. There's so many ways that you guys can make money on the side and add to your total amount for your out the mud challenge. So I really implore you guys to become very conscious of what you're doing to make money and where your money's coming from, because we do not want to leave no money on the table. Okay, before we get out of here, I just want to make a quick notice, and I'd be remiss to not mention this. If you guys been following my videos and been following my previous challenges, you all will know that one of the challenges was called the Robin Hood Challenge. Now, there's been a whole debacle with Robin Hood over the past 2 weeks, which led to people losing their faith in Robin Hood. So I wanted to mention that briefly. I'm not going to go in depth on what happened and why, people are starting to turn away from Robin Hood. Just do your research and Googles and you can find out why. But I wanted to do my part and let you guys know that I'm going to be changing the Robin Hood Challenge to the investing challenge. So at the end screen, you'll see that portion as the investing challenge, and no longer will it be considered the Robin Hood Challenge. And this is to ensure your faith in the challenge and let you guys know that you don't necessarily have to use Robin Hood for your investments. You do not need to use Robin Hood as an investing broker. There are plenty of other investing brokers out there, such as Cash App, Fidelity, Ameritrade, Webull. There are plenty of others that you guys can use to invest your money that you may feel more confident and comfortable with. I don't want you guys to stop investing completely. It's still very important that we invest and we continue this investing journey so that we can build financial wealth. So do not stop investing entirely. If you don't want to use Robinhood anymore, just switch over to another broker. And with that being said, if you like this video or gotten any kind of value from it, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, be sure to share this video because it really does help me out. It shows that you support the channel, and it really does help the channel grow. And as always, I wish you guys peace, positivity, and prosperity.